In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Starling Bank mobile app with a step-by-step installation guide. Now, whether you're looking for convenience or just want to keep your banking details right at your fingertips, downloading the Starling Bank app is a fantastic choice. Let's dive in and get that app on your phone. First things first, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser like Google Chrome or Safari on your smartphone or tablet. Once you have your browser up and running, type in Starling Bank mobile app into the search bar. Hit enter and wait for the search results to load. This search will give you a direct path to where you can download the app, whether you're using an Android or an iOS device. Now that you're looking at the search results on the page, you should see a few options. You'll want to find the links that say either Google Play or App Store, depending on which type of phone you have. For Android users, it's Google Play, and for those with Apple devices, head on over to the App Store. This directs you to the respective platform where you can officially download the Starling Bank app, ensuring you're getting a trusted and verified version. Once you've navigated to the app listing on Google Play or the App Store, the process gets even simpler. If you're on an Android device, you will see an install button. On an Apple device, you'll see a get button. Go ahead and tap that button. Your device may ask you to verify your choice, maybe using your fingerprint, Face ID, or password. This is a security measure that phones have in place to make sure you actually want to download the app. While I'm demonstrating these steps using a computer, you'll need to switch over to your mobile phone to complete the installation. Once you press that install or get button on your respective app store's webpage, switch to your phone and follow the prompts there. The download will begin, and it might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Starling Bank mobile app. Now you're all set to explore its features, access your banking information, and manage your finances on the go with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you effortlessly get the Starling Bank app installed. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Happy banking, everyone!